Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. If you're new here, we're a company that carries all your favorite stamp companies. So come check us out. I'll have the link in the description box for you. We have a free with 60, so if you do spend $60, this will pop into your cart. It's called Puppy Hugs and Kisses by Scrubbing for Less. And when this runs out, I will switch out the freebie. If you already received this in a previous order and you want a different freebie, just let me know with your order. So we have the new Darcie's stamp release. It is really cute. We have four really cute designs. So the first one here is called Little Sunshine. It's a cute little sunshine balloon. There's the string to add to the balloon. We've got a cute little rainbow with a cloud and the cute little fox that could be holding the balloon. There's a little flower that you can put in the hair. You bring a little sunshine everywhere you go, and good vibes only are the sentiments. Now Darcie's has 10 pins, and what these are, they're like little buttons. You add adhesive to the back of the button and add it on top of your stamped image to make a little cute little raised embellishment. We've got Miss Easter. Look how cute that is. Or Donut Miss Easter. Do not miss Easter. And then I love this big donut with the little bunny popping through it. And then you could switch out the bunny with this cute one with the little glasses. There's also a headband with a flower. And then the sentiments read, do not know, or donut, you know how much I'll miss you this Easter. Hip hop, happy Easter. And those are the cute little 10 pins. We've got Welcome Little One. So really cute. We got this little fox with the glasses, so you can, I don't know if you could get fancy and pop him into the donut or not. And then we've got this cute little umbrella filled with flowers and the rainbow in the background. The sentiments read, can't wait to meet you. Welcome to the world, little one, and you make my world rosy. And then the 10 pins for that one. This one is called Over the Rainbow. Get your leprechaun. He is standing over the rainbow. We've got the pot of gold and the sentiments, wishing you a pot of gold and all the joy your heart can hold. Happy St. Patty's, or Happy St. Pat's Day. I'm over the rainbow for you. And the matching 10 pins. We have a stamp set from Hero Arts. This one here is called Be the Queen. So we've got the queen bee. Got some little bees here, a daisy. We got the little wand and some flowers. We've got the sentiments. Be the queen you are, sending a little buzz. Strive to be amazing. Hello. Hey hon, don't worry, be happy and be kind. So I got a couple of those and the background stamp with the little bee in the center of that pattern there. It's called Bee Geometric Bee Pattern Bold Prints. I picked up some really nice stamps from Creative Expressions. I love these stamps. They are silhouette stamps. These ones here are long enough to fit on your slimline card. They are rubber foam mounted. They are ready for stamping. So this image here is a tractor. This one here is called As Sweet as Honey. So we've got some honeybee workers, and you can see the little bees flying around. There's a bird, I think that's a butterfly. There's a little rabbit hiding in the grass there. I love these stamps because everywhere you look, you see some details that you didn't even know was there, like these little birds in the trees. Really pretty. And you You can see it's nice and long, perfect for the slimline cards. You could always use it for an A2 size card by just using half of the image. So I have 2 of those. I only have 2 of each. This one here is called Gone Fishing. So this one's long to make the slimline card this way. So you got the birds at the top, your sun or your moon, depending on how you want to color it in the sky. So we got family fishing here. You can see the water looks like it's reflecting right there, which looks really cool. There's a little pelican and some ducks in the water. There's a sailboat way in the distance there. You can see a little fish hanging out of this bucket. Just so many details. This one is Love is in the Air. It's really pretty for Valentine's Day or an anniversary. The couple there, she's holding a bouquet of flowers. There's a little bird up there in the tree. There's the bicycle. You see the flowers in the background. Another bike over here. Really, really pretty. Here's a great camping one. This one is called Stargazing. So we've got a family camping. They got their camping chairs out there. There's little bunny rabbits under the trees. There's a little squirrel there. A little hawk in the background. The stars and the moon. And this one here is called Twilight Grazing. So you got your animals grazing at this little creek here. And you see the little deer in the background. Some ducks up in the air there flying. There's a little moon. And then we've got your A2 size card stamps here. So this one's called Fall. So you get this maple leaf with a scene inside. I thought that was so cool. You can see mushrooms, little fox couple, little moon. Those look like trees. I thought that was really cool. A Mind to be Wild. So you got this tree, but it kind of like mirrors at the bottom here. And you see a little fox, some rabbits. You see little rabbits down there, squirrels, birds, really cute flowers. Snail's Pace. So we got a little, I guess, elf, and he's got a little fishing pole with a little leaf. He's trying to make the snail go faster, I bet. There's this butterfly, another one here, and the little ground with the little grass. Really cute. This one is the Cheshire Cat. I only have one left. This one is like Alice in Wonderland. There's the cat, and you can see she's going to be walking down the path. There's the little signs. So great fun stamps. I'll have the link down below. You could use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. And right now it's US orders over $60 for free shipping. Thanks guys for stopping by. I'll talk to you real soon. Take care. Bye guys.